We are heading to Spain next on an Everyday Sommelier summer series where we'll find the perfect red wine for a casual evening with friends. Are you ready for our next adventure? Let's go! Garnacha, one of Spain's most historic red wine grapes with references going back to the 1500s. It's called Garnacha in Spain, but Grenache in France, even though it's the same grape. It pairs great with cheeses like manchego or blue cheese, also tapas with grilled chicken, pork, or lamb, and veggies like peppers and zucchini. This is a vibrant Garnacha from Spain, Ludovicus. It's a medium-bodied wine with a good balance of acidity and fruit and notes of red berries and spice. I definitely say this is a crowd pleaser. Remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this one at your local wine shop for around $18. Cheers!